Hi guys, here is Jessica again from Alicante Real Estate. Lovely to present you this apartment in the heart of La Mata. We are, as you see, standing straight now on the communal pool behind me. Also, look the views. Just back, you see the sea over. You have one of the nicest beaches in the area. Very sandy with your restaurants, bars, everything you need to enjoy. As you see as well, I'm 30 minutes away from the airport and you have all the facilities around. If you follow me now, I would love to show you the apartment inside. Come on. So guys, as I promised, we're back from the pool area and we're coming straight into the apartment. As you see on the front of the apartment, you have like a little communal terrace where you have the possibility to put a table and some chairs to enjoy the evenings outside. If you follow me, I'm gonna show you the apartment inside. As you see, I come straight into the living and dining area where you have big windows. They are facing southwest, so you have approximately sun in the morning and the evening sun comes to the back where the pool area is. As you see, you have a nice storage as well here. Place for storage. We are talking about one bedroom, one kitchen and one bathroom. As you see, the apartment is very nice made. You have brand new furniture. Everything is made new, the floors. They open the terrace to the front. And here you have a semi-detached kitchen. As also a double bedroom with a complete bathroom with shower plate. Just going through the bedroom, you have shower, like we say, a suite bedroom. So now we come to the end of the video, but I want first of all tell you this apartment has a touristic license. That means you can do holiday rental, which is in a perfect area for this because you have only 250 meters to one of the most beautiful beaches in La Mata. You also on a walking distance to the natural park and the Sol Lake, and you have everything around you, bars, restaurants, pharmacy around the corner. Everything you need is straight here. And now I come to the end, which is the price of 148,500 for this lovely apartment. If you are interested, please contact me down here. It'd be a pleasure to give you more information and to see you here in the sun in Spain. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.